Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. So today is 11th. This is the 11th of May. I want us to start off with the chart on our screen. This is EURUSD. So on this chart, basically, we are watching to see what happens with the current candle, the one which we have this one. We want to see that the price actually closes above this point. So this is the main resistance level which we went beyond last week. We had a resistance here. The price went successfully above it. It remained above it. Even earlier today, the price came back to it, then bounced back up. As we are speaking now, you can see that the price is somehow struggling below this zone. So if the current candle closes below this point, then this may point us to the lower side, at least up to this point, up to around 1.2063. And in case the price again pulls back and closes above 1.21503, then this will mean we are now continuing to the upper side. So the idea will be to keep looking for buy positions as long as the price is held above that zone. We do expect that buy to take us to the upper side, at least up to the resistance level which we have at this point. This is the highest high we've seen so far. So if the price is to continue up, then around 1.2362 is going to be the correct place where we want to look for a sell from. My other symbol, the other symbol which I want us to look at is GBPUSD. So this chart, basically this is bullish. I'm saying this because we are likely to see a close above this resistance level. We have a very good level here. This was a resistance previously. You can see several tails coming to it. So assuming the current week's candle actually closes below 1.40142, then this should be the correct place to look for a sell from. We do expect that sell to take us at least up to this point. So if you're on this chart now, we recommend you keep looking for sell positions. Expect that sell to take price at least up to 1.33464. So we should keep looking for sell positions around this point. I actually don't expect the current week's candle to close beyond this level, 1.40142. So we'll look for a sell. That sell should push us up to around 1.33464. My next symbol is USDJPY. So this chart, we are seeing some struggling. We are seeing some struggling for a good reason. The place where the price is now is actually a very good resistance level. We have it here. So look at how perfect this level is. It was used here as a resistance, as a resistance, as a resistance. There was this false break above. It came back, and as we are speaking now, the price is still somehow below the same place. So expect price to move down at least up to 104.752, which means this will be a good place to look for a sell from, at least up to this point, 104.7452, this level here. My next target, my next chart is gold. So gold, so far we saw a momentum to the upper side during the last parts of the previous week. As I said yesterday, we are still looking at this level here. This is a very good trend line. We want price not to rise beyond this level. If the price comes up to this point, then that will be a good place where we want to look for a sell from. So as it is now, we should keep looking for sell positions, keep looking for sell orders, especially if the price can get to this point here. So we want to see price come up to this point, bounce off from this point. We expect that bounce to push us at least up to 1793.83. And in case the price does break above, we want to see a retracement before we continue up, at least up to this point here. And the next target is this. So my next symbol is this is SP500. So yesterday I recommended the buy on this one. If you took that buy position, probably right now you are struggling to hold it. This is still upwards nonetheless, because we do have a very good supportive trend line here. This is a very good supportive trend line. What it indicates is that the price may likely continue to the upper side as long as we continue to see price above it. So if we draw 4 hours, the more it looks a bit clearer. 4 hours, we have this level here, and then you also have a resistance level here. So it has been violated definitely, because we don't expect the current candle to actually close above this point. We want it, we would expect it to close above this point, but as it is now, we are likely to see it go up to this trend line. So if that happens, then this will be a good place we want to look for a buy from. Our next target, our next symbol is Brent oil. So Brent oil so far is consolidating. You may not be able to see that clearly, but if you draw a line here, the red line you see at the top is actually the ask line. If you draw a line there, then you have this. So this is like a resistance. There is a break above, there is a retracement. As we are speaking now, the price is somehow still above the same place. So this is struggling. The zone you are seeing here is actually struggling. So expect a buy position from around this point. That buy should push us up to at least this point, 69.60. So wait for a buy here, have your take profit there. If the price goes above this level, we want to see a retracement before we can continue to the upside. So that is my forecast on those symbols. That brings us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. So thank you. See you.